Honor and respect to you, family. It is a great honor that we're here for another video, but finally that's going to be based on a different subject other than Zafem. Today we will talk about something that is I've seen that has been taking place back home, and it has to do with a big march that they had, I think last week, where all the churches, all the pastors put together for whatever reason. I don't know. Not that I concern, to be honest with you, because I do understand in this matrix, like I said, give good and bad were giving to us. And of course, religion has been one of their best, most powerful tools to manipulate humanity. And the reason why I say that, like I said, I've been in church almost all my life. I would say it's less than 4 years since I've been at a church. So I do know and understand the concept of church. So of religions. And the more I dig, the more I'm researching and putting the pieces together, we understand that religion have done us wrong in every level. Because the people that we used to be before religions were brought into the country, we're no longer the same anymore, because religion only brought division, separation, chaos, a lot of evil stuff. And we have to understand that. So we cannot expect to use the same tools that they had used to destroy us. And now we are promoting that tools as like the only tools that's gonna bring Haiti back to life. That is not true. Like I said, we are in the time of truth, the time of revelation. I mean, everything will be revealed. So whether people want to admit it or not, they want to go for the truth. But just know that now we know the truth. Everything is right before us. All the formulas, everything are right in front of us. We cannot miss. So therefore, if you don't put the pieces together, it's because it's your choice. And we will be judged by the choices we make nowadays, because everything is available to us. Everything is being revealing to us. So therefore, just not because, like everybody's think it's good, it's positive. No, it's not. It is not. It is not. It's the same international community who are behind this movement. And one of their main thing is to make sure church is in control. By putting church in control, that's another way to destroy really our true identity, which is voodooism. And that's the only thing behind it. The only reason why all this BS are taking place in this country is because we are not operating under our true constitution, which is the Constitution of 1805. And we have failed. It doesn't matter who we are. We have failed this country. So now we have our own people becoming, the traitors. Like, that's all. We betrayed this country in every way by the tools that we are using. So we are side up with. So there's no lie about that. People think, just because, everybody, is saying one thing and I'm going to go for it. No, right now, I'm going to go for the truth. If I have to stand alone, I will stand alone. I don't care. Let me be all by myself. So be alone is okay. As long, I'd rather fear Mother Nature, Mother Universe, the Creator, than to fear the society just because of whatever. So at the end of the day, let's not lie to ourselves. We know who's behind this movement. We know exactly where this is heading to. But we will see. But the beautiful thing is, because now we are in the time of Aquarius, in the time of revelation, there's a lot of things that have been hiding. And now they will see it, because you know what? Mother's Universe is about to put everybody butt naked. So people will see for themselves. Anyway, it's just really so upsetting, but I just wanted to share that with you guys. But seriously, well, it is a beautiful thing. The fact that Mother Universe, Mother Nature, all the elements is at work right now, are fighting. And I'll be like, doing judgment, is doing all the justice. As it's a karma time. So let it be what it is. So we will see. And we will see justice for Haiti. Honor and respect to you.